To make a mill in a year means to earn $1 million within a year. Achieving this financial goal requires careful planning, hard work, and smart decision making. Here are a few steps to consider. 1. Set clear financial goals. Determine how much money you aim to earn within the year and break it down into achievable milestones. 2. Identify income sources. Explore different avenues for generating income, such as starting a business, investing, or pursuing additional work opportunities. 3. Create a budget. Develop a budget that outlines your expenses and ensures you save a significant portion of your income. 4. Boost your income. Look for ways to increase your earning potential, such as improving your skills or seeking promotions at work. 5. Save and invest wisely. Allocate a portion of your income towards savings and investments, following advice from financial professionals to maximize returns. 6. Stay focused and motivated. Keep your eyes on your goal. Remain disciplined and persevere through challenges that may arise throughout the year. Remember, making a million a year requires a combination of hard work, determination, and financial planning. Good luck on your journey towards achieving this goal.